Promise from the Daily Word, 1948. Divine love opens the way before me. My path is made plain, and I know what to do. Today, I need guidance. I need to know what is the right way for me. I need to know what to do next, how to take the succeeding steps. So I will let go of all worry or planning. I will be still in mind and body. I listen for the inner voice to direct me. The inner voice speaks to me as thoughts, and when I get still and let go, I receive my guidance. Then with faith, I act on that guidance. I know that though I may not always see the way, God's ways are higher than my ways. Spirit knows how to open the way where there seems to be no way. I will do my part with a joyful, unquestioning, expectant heart, thereby opening the channel for God to help me. I will take the step before me, and if I need guidance for the next step, I will get still and listen again until I know what to do. I have a spirit that welcomes new ideas. There is always within me an urge to grow, to improve, and to give expression to the powers and abilities within me. There is always within me an urge to broaden my life. A boundless horizon lies before me. I walk a new path that is ever forward and upward. And from Isaiah chapter 58, verse 11, the Lord will guide you always. Spirit will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail.